Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the resolution in Catmail Co. Let's begin by opening settings. From here, select settings, and under graphics should be the resolution. Here you can choose from some available presets. As you can see, there is the width, height, and the proportions. You can choose the one that fits to your monitor the best from the list. You can also, decide to display the game in lower resolution to save on resources, but I don't think it's necessary with this game. It's quite light. And yeah, I think that's about it. Once you make changes, once you're happy, simply press the back button, because the changes are applied automatically. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.